The Asrock B760M-H2 M.2 Micro ATX motherboard is designed to support a wide range of Intel processors, including the latest 14th generation, ensuring future-proofing for your PC build. With its compact Micro ATX form factor, this motherboard is perfect for small to medium-sized computer cases, offering flexibility in your system setup. The inclusion of two DDR5 DIMM slots allows for dual-channel memory configurations and supports overclocking speeds beyond 7,200 MHz, enhancing overall system performance. Featuring a PCI Express 4.0 by 16 slot and two PCI Express 3.0 by 1 slots, this motherboard provides ample options for adding high-performance graphics cards and other expansion cards. The dual HDMI outputs offer versatile display connectivity, making it easy to set up multiple monitors for a more immersive computing experience. Equipped with a 2.5 Gigabit local area network port, the Asrock B760M-H2 M.2 ensures high-speed internet connectivity for seamless online gaming and streaming.